Welcome back to Acid Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television stations, I dare say it, senior brother for the television stations when they inside the world, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and Wazobia TV, Channel 98, Go TV, nationwide. Everywhere where you dey inside the world, Nigeria, you feel they watch the program when they talk, the problem when they affect us, in the language when everybody understand, and you self get the right to contribute. Remember, say, we get 3 telephone lines and 1 toll-free line. Based on say we be the only television station when Fiki go to take use make pepper soup for you. Wetin be toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay. Ezuku Chukwudi, Nkubi, and our ogbonge visitor, Oga Akinlami Daniel, dey inside studio. Oga
Yes.
Akinlami, you don't finish talk on top of this particular matter.
But in the course of why they also addressed it, you said something. Because your blood say, okay, we know say a problem done on ground right now. And they try to find who will hold responsible. Say, okay, now you they're responsible for this, find solution to that. But even also they complain. Now, some Nigerians when they complain, your blood say they also add up to the problem. Okay, you gave a typical example of people who say, when they hold the same material, material. Can't they use this due advantage, say things don't do it, don't they on the high. Can't they do it? Can't they put in their own prices? Can't they decide as that thing go take go? So you know to say, in the same way, we serve as society. We know they also help the situation. What you be honest because in society.
Speak that proverb. Kokoro tinje for idea follower.
Must you tell me to speak any proverb here?
Because I know you are a man of proverbs.
So the point here is, if we as a society, we're supposed to even say one come and can't support government, can't even speak, can't stand behind a particular president, and in the end, we know can't they do things right. Why it is say we'll get them right eventually?
Very true.
But before then, make we collect this call. We'll get a call away they call us.
Your namesake, Oga Daniel.
Oga
They call us
Daniel.
all the way from Warri. Oga Daniel, good morning and welcome to Acid Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Oga Daniel, your voice sound like who no even need fuel.
Oga,
Yeah,
I don't understand.
Okay, Daniel, we hear you.
I want to talk about the vandalization of pipelines.
Okay.
A government will refuse to be diplomatic. Should expect sabotage from left, right, top, and from bottom. In reality, if we look back at what happened, when that same period where they take vandalize the pipeline, now that same period where they begin pursue, it should be some follow there.
Yeah.
And as a matter of fact, even on our way shook hand for entire rabbit hole, if rabbit not bite them, make sure help rabbit bite them. You understand me? So the situation is just the way this government handle certain matters. At the end of the day, every fault, everything has to go to the government. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Daniel, for that contribution.
Oga Daniel not talk about culpability.
Say diplomacy, bringing in diplomacy into the matter.
But he did very, very good. Say we get government. If for a very long time, Nigerians they used to government when go come and talk say we are wrong, I mean we are right. But we get government when don't accept responsibility. Say this thing we make mistake. See how we go do them to correct them. But what Nigerians just they ask of now say make we know say now this direction we they go. Make you not come be like say the suffering not too well because people don't already they turn them to prayer point. Your helper will locate you with fuel and everybody go begin to shout.
Is that your dream?
That's typical of Nigeria anyway.
No, Chukwudi, is that even your dream? See what they even pray, see your prayer point. See what they come out from your mind as prayer point. No, they shame.
I say people they take a prayer. I say,
You for you to even talk yourself, it is also your prayer point.
I'm saying what people are saying.
What people are saying, you also said it. It is also your own prayer point.
I think the last caller
Daniel,
made a very valid point. The issue around this pipeline deserve diplomacy, and I think that is where leadership role need to come in now, because as the presidency is, the president is like the father.
Yes.
So as much as
Oga Daniel, I beg, make you just pause. We get one Henry. Henry, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Henry.
Good morning.
Prince Henry, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We hear you.
Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning. Mr. Chikudi.
I agree to Oga Henry.
Good morning. I'm Mr. Daniel.
good morning, my brother.
How are you?
We do Bodo Nigeria.
Okay, my contribution be say
I want to ask something, and my question go for Mr. Daniel.
Okay.
Mr. Daniel, do you remember the promise our president made during the campaign? He said when he enters seat, he will slide fuel liter, which is 15 naira per liter. And the promise now, what are we passing through now? That's my question.
Oga Prince Henry, thank you very much for this your important question. We go allow our Ogbonge visitor answer am.
Well, I think that time when General Buhari then, when in the campaign, they made so many promises. And in all sincerity, they never had access to the national treasury. They never know waiting day as per money. Or,
Exactly.
So as at the time they enter government, you see the reality. Now, coupled with this low
with
oil
the-
price, with all this
Yes.
wahala. So, but I'm not sure if I remember at any point he stated the amount of
Or price of
price
oil.
they will put for petrol,
petrol and-
or where they will cut it to. I'm not sure at any point he stated they will cut it from a particular amount down to another amount. But I knew within their manifesto, they promised to handle the issues and crises in the oil sector.
Very, very true.
And perhaps they
Oga
were...
Daniel, we get Chuks. Chuks, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Chuks, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Chooks.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Nkobi. Good morning, Chokode.
We
Good
dey greet
morning,
you,
Oga
Oga
Chooks.
Chuks.
On the top well, Jare, my brother.
Thank you.
Good morning, Oga.
Good morning, sir. You see, my problem for this country, or the problem when this country gets there, is just too much. I know even where to start from. Now, somebody come on there, tell us, say, well, we will sort out the problem within 6 months. And after some time, he come again, he tell us it will be on Thursday. But now, I get surprised now, they hear, say, he no talk again. You see, before...
Oga
Oga
Chuks.
Chooks. If I say something, they really interject
Oga
to that
Chuks, e be
call.
like say the network no really
You don't
strong for that
too,
particular
yeah.
place. But we appreciate the question where you don carry come. And Oga Daniel, you don hear wetin him get to talk. Him talk say, you will hear say me.
We don't hear series
Hear
of
say
here.
April 7. Now we come dey hear say it's no longer April 7. Why e be? I no just understand o.
I think all still na promise and fail. I think that's what they try. They try.
Say
to
we no fit
express.
just hold on to one party.
I think for one area, we should try to understand that this government possibly might have made some mistake in communication. But I think be that as it is, we should try and focus on the most important thing.
Very, very true.
That they should solve the crisis.
Very true.
They have challenges in the area of communication. Perhaps they would have learned 1 or 2 lessons from this
from
crisis. In the future, they should handle the
would not
communication
take
very well.
Yes.
Oga Daniel, e be like say somebody dey on top of our telephone. Prince Henry, they call us back again from Abuja. Prince Henry, welcome back to As E Dey Hot.
Yeah, my brother, good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning again.
Welcome back.
As I was saying, I don't understand. The network is cracking.
Okay, continue, no verse.
But I don't understand. The program, is it different station or what? Because I'm watching you live and direct now, but you can't seem to talk to me when I'm...
Okay.
It's not even appearing on the screen.
Okay, Prince Henry.
Yes.
Okay, we dey hear you. Make your contribution.
Okay, my contribution, I was saying, I said, Mr. Daniel, I'm asking you directly. Remember the promise Mr. President made during the campaign? He said he's going to slide the price of fuel to 15 naira per liter. We have not seen that. And secondly, about the issue of 5,000 naira, I believe Nigeria vote massively for him because of that 5,000 naira. Some people casted the vote because of that 5,000 naira. He should come out and tell us what to do about that 5,000 naira because we have not seen anything. We are waiting. We can't say anything. We are jobless. No job, no life. We are suffering. What's the issue?
Okay.
Prince Henry, thank you very much for your important question.
The matter
we go allow him settle down so that when you reply, him go fit hear the question because he dey complain say people like say no dey hear. So I go just go over in question again. He talk say we dey look this particular situation now. Say promise of say when we enter inside government, even though you don't answer them, we go reduce them, and also the 5,000 naira. I believe say now him go don settle and you go just answer the question.
I think as far as we can check everywhere. I have not seen any document where Buhari talks say go reduce the
price of fuel
price from 87 naira to 60 naira.
Yeah.
But they promise they will handle the crisis where they inside the oil industry and also unbundle NNPC and all those things. So I don't see any document. And as at last year, after 100 days in office, 200 days in office, people started showing him everything he said. I have not seen 60 naira
as part of
the thing. They don't they ask him for WFK. They don't they ask him for Boko Haram. They ask him for everything. Even some of the thing where
they say
people they carry, he said he not talk.
Exactly.
The one where he said no talk is he replied. So but 60 naira, I never see that one.
Exactly.
But as he be now, Buhari met this petrol for 87 naira. This petrol now is 86 naira and 86 naira 50 kobo.
There's been a slight difference.
And there was pressure on them few days ago to increase it because dollar pick up small, but they refused. They still retain it to this this one. So I think
Oga Chuks dey on top of our telephone line still dey wait. Oga Chuks from Ikorodu, we hope say the network go clear now. Welcome back to As E Dey Hot.
Chuks.
Oga Chuks, you there?
Okay, we dey hear you. Right on.
Okay, una fit hear me now?
Yeah,
they hear you.
Okay, now, as I dey talk, you see, already they don't put people where they talk, say that they need to handle this issue. So I don't see any reason where we say, up to now, we see the suffer as Nigeria. That is for the fuel issue. Because if these people where they do this thing, if to say they pay them salary, we will talk, say, okay, they pay them salary. But whether good or bad for Nigerians, these people have been paid salary, they have been paid their wages. Every month, they know they're hungry. But common here for here, they're hungry because of, say, many people don't see this fuel, take power their generator, where they take it to where they take it to one or two things, and so on and so forth. That one are even the area of fuel. Now, for the area, you see, I hate to be here when they say some people, they sabotage, some people, they sabotage. Now, past era, they say people sabotage past government. That means they don't do well. And they come say they won't come correct all these anomalies. But they don't come into power. They don't talk, say people, they sabotage them. Okay, Daniel, I don't like that language at all. So they sabotage these people. Now, waiting now. And then for government. These are the problems, these are the promises they gave to us that they want to come and control this thing. Now we are still hearing the same thing. Now, which is better? The past government or this government? I am furious, my brother.
Okay,
this man
don't drop on the way we
show.
But make we look at Daniel talk now. Daniel talk say, look, irrespective of who you be, irrespective of the fact say you don't accept assignment, say this thing, say irrespective of the fact say the past government they be talk say monkey hand, somehow some monkey hand they be put hand inside their particular government. In the same way, we call they say this same government, your blood say the same complaint they come up. You understand? Who will come say who they hold responsible? Or probably if you not say monkey hand they particular system, even now you don't even graduate from monkey hand to gorilla hand. So you did a particular system, and we get a particular government in place, and government don't even address the monkey hand. What they in system? How it is said the government will effectively carry out to work effectively?
You see, this result where we they expect so now product of meticulous thinking.
That is, we go take time and we go think and
meticulous thinking.
Meticulous.
So that is the area where I go challenge the presidency. They need to get down. People expect much from them. From all these reactions, you see, say people no want spare them again.
At all.
So even some of us where they support this Oga Buhari self, sometimes we know we enter some places. You know, we have to be careful now. So, but the issue be say all of us are affected. Now, the presidency need to rise up to these challenges, especially this sabotage thing now. We never get any other grammar to replace her. Make that other no offense. That sabotage is not a respecter of any government. Sabotage can come to any regime.
Very true.
So it's the responsibility of that government to develop an approach to handle its own sabotage.
You don't talk about...
So, but as we be now, what we need is that anything where we can do to relieve this crisis, make we know, make it worse. Why government they sort out its own? Make we Nigeria know they add to this crisis.
Problem with on ground, yeah.
You see some depot and some marketers will get fuel now, refuse to sell.
Because of say
They are
they
holding
want
it,
to have a particular price.
yes, they want
high.
the price to jack more. So we need to really help ourselves as well.
Oga Daniel, e go good make we emphasize on this point wey you don raise. Say, if we wan solve the problems wey we dey face for our country, na collective and collaborative effort. That is to say, make we no just leave am say government, make we see wetin dem go do. Those of us wey be major players, like for example in this particular case, the people wey be say get fuel wey no gree sell, make themselves do wetin dey right to move this our country forward. Then number two, e go good make we emphasize say this country belong to all of us. For people to sit down and dey talk say, I no dey this political party, I no vote for this person. Make we see how he wan do am. If he do am well, make I know wetin cause am. E no good at all.
No,
make we dey talk well about our country
point is,
and dey do things wey go move
the
our
point
country
is,
forward.
make we even tell us, say, anybody dey talk say this particular government na im dey in charge. See, just as we dey always talk am here, first cast no go ask you where the political party where you belong.
Exactly.
E dey hit everybody.
Exactly.
E dey no go ask you say, okay, whether you get light or you no get light. The power sector dey hit everybody. So that is why we need to do it in collectively.
I'm happy you are talking like this now.
I have always been talking like
Because
this.
last year,
I have always been talking like
Oga
this.
Daniel, before the election,
Chukudi, I have always been talking like this.
Oga Daniel, may I tell you wetin go shock you? I been talk am say I go vote for you. That last thing, Nkubi follow for you for all the people.
Chukudi, wait. Chukudi, don't come. It's a good thing we're on national TV. And we still get followership of us, they hot. People wey still they strongly follow us. We go come out, contest, fight, talk, waiting, play at that time. You say you go vote for who?
I talk say the way when the country they go, we need youth. Person when we say they when be youth, when we say all the experience when you get na about youth, we go no be wetin I talk.
Clap for yourself.
No be wetin I talk.
I think make we no worry, our time go come.
Exactly.
Our time go come. Make we just dey contribute, dey build it.
Nkubi, as they say, our time go come.
Our
space
time,
will
our
open
time,
up.
our
time.
No, they count yourself. Join our. No, they count yourself. Join our
Chukudi,
time.
don't you ever.
No, they count yourself. Join our time.
Don't you ever.
You know, the
please.
thing about nation building is not a one-man's job.
Exactly.
It's everybody.
Collectively, yes.
Yes, collectively. It's everybody that has the role to play.
Very, very true. But Oga Daniel, we go come just like make we just based on say the time we don reach now. We na final bus stop things now we look. E go good make we emphasize on all of the points when we raise, so that those when dey house go look say okay yes so see wetin we don learn, see the part wey we dey. You na person wey me say you talk am the way the thing be. You don admit say you dey support government when dey progressive. Government when be say they carry the interest of people for heart, but you no go come dey lie when things no dey the way the thing dey. You don already talk am say government get im own blame. People wey wan sabotage the effort of government get their own blame. We as a people, we get the work and the responsibility wey we go do. We go like make you just go over am once again.
I think to go forward now, first we should do anything on our own part as citizens that want this country to progress, to support government efforts. If you know depot and marketers who are holding, you have access to those information. Provide it to DPR. Let's push this thing and let's all push this thing out of our face. And then we're also asking on the presidency too to change their approach to this crisis. I believe if they change their approach, all those reforms and all those strategies they are introducing, maybe because the thing they come direct now, these people where the thing supposed to target, they well prepared safe. So
okay.
Government can make U-turn. They can
adjust.
Yes, that is why diplomacy
Needs
is
to come in.
key in leadership. It's important now, and we expect President Buhari to embrace more of this. We're still wishing him to succeed. It's a journey of 4 years, so 1 year has been a bit, tough now. But that doesn't mean. We won't get over this crisis soon.
Very, very true.
And to the marketers, I think we have to appeal to them.
True.
We have to appeal to them because
Country
all of
first.
us have this just one country. So they are billionaires already. So I don't know how much billion they still want to gather out of this crisis. All of them are billionaires. So they should at least show sympathy to the Nigerian people and put politics aside. Forest, to me, I don't think forest should be a big deal. All these guys are billionaires. They know where to get forest. If they want to bring products, they know how to get forest. So I think we should go beyond that level of using one crisis to sustain another crisis. So they should help the people. The people is suffering. The people are bigger than the government. The people will be here in this country while this government
will
has
change.
gone.
Yes, will
so
go and
they
come,
should
yeah.
consider the suffering of the people.
Very true.
And I think we can call on some of them. Some of them really played a big role during the transitional period last year. They should
Also
Just
get
do what's
themselves
right.
involved.
they
At
should
least.
water the
Oga Daniel.
they should water
Oga Daniel, we get Sam.
the filling stations
Sam,
and
Sam, they wait for us on top of the telephone. Sam, they call us from Abapa. Oga Sam, thank you very much for your patience. Welcome to Aside Hot.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
Oga
morning,
Good
Sam.
morning, Oga Sam.
I'm Nadine.
We
We
did
dey
fine.
fine, we dey
well.
fine.
Oga, beg me, my small contribution is I like the way when I do things. I like to do everything they go. My small contribution is as a human being, Buhari as a human being, will be our president, our papa today. In the trial, and so far he has been able to bring. He has been able to make some people to bring in money that they have stolen for long, So there's no need for him to begin to store that money again and keep the money somewhere where masses are suffering, and there are so many projects that are left undone, and NEPA and the rest. Instead, that those money they have gotten, they should put it into most of these projects. Let the thing begin to go, because as he's storing it now, God forbid bad thing, because if anything happens to them now, maybe fall, die today. Other tigers now go grab those money and take it again and put us into perpetual suffering again. Okay? So I beg we're going to look into that matter.
Oga Sam, thank you very much
Thank
for this
you very, very
important
much,
contribution. Sam just expressed in fear. I like the way when he takes start, say, our president na human being, our president na somebody wey be say he carry the interest of Nigerians for him mind.
Yes.
But if the way when he take talk, he express fear and worry based on maybe some kind people wey surround Oga Presido, because he talk say all this money wey we say we dey recover, e go good make we begin dey put am into
something,
but we no go waste time
please.
on other issue based on say government no be one man business. We dey very certain say as the thing dey enter, the record dey there. Those wey suppose know where the thing go enter into for the right thing, they don already know about am, and they don know as the thing go take go. So no be something wey be say we go come dey waste too much time on top. And as we don talk am say Nigeria na our country, make all of us dey do wetin dey right to move this our country forward. Nkubi bin don emphasize say light no go ask you say which party you dey support before the thing go dey. If your generator no go vomit, you no go reject the fuel when dem put inside because e go ask you say you no vote for President Muhammadu Buhari. We need to move our country reach the level wey be say things wey be say countries wey no reach us dey enjoy today for their country. No be something wey be say we go begin dey pray for, dey ask God for. We dey always dey talk am say I go speak English. It's not nuclear physics, it's not rocket science. God don give us the knowledge and the sense. Nigerians get very intelligent people like our ogbonge visitor don talk. Wey go come down look this particular problem, see say this strategy wey we dey use e no dey work. Make we come back to another one, use am, see say the thing move this our country forward. Oga Daniel, I know say if we ask you now say make you talk again, hey, be like na trouble we dey find because we no come here by 10
with the
o'clock.
ones wey you don even talk sef, at least our viewers wey dey watch us go know say yes, they don gather enough, at least enough information from wetin we don talk today.
Very true.
And na our own na to dey do wetin to dey support government, so that government go also fit do wetin go fit support us. And anybody wey step say him get monkey hand or gorilla hand for any system, we dey beg you say that your monkey hand, it is time make you cut am comot or make you find solution, put am for your bag, make we resolve this matter, know how we go take move forward. So from me wey be Nkubi,
No, we no value from you. We go shake the hand of our ogbonge
I will go
visitor.
shake am from me wey be he say
Shake the hand of our ogbonge visitor wey carry waka come. You say from you wey be Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
They don't know say you be Nkubi before.
Oga
From
Daniel,
wey be
thank you very much
You
for
be like your
coming.
name too
You
dey
na
sweet
do
you for
well.
mouth.
thank you very much.
Oga Daniel, thank you very much for
You na
coming.
do well.
Nkubi, we go thank our callers especially because today dey very very different. Oga Daniel from Warri, Prince Henry from Abuja, Chuks from Ikorodu, Sam from Apapa. Una do well with the kind contribution una carry come. Those wey dey try
Strong
call
ones.
us wey no gree enter based on say our network na hot cake. We appreciate say una even try. Those wey dey watch us, spread the word, tell una loved ones say the program when they speak the language when everybody understand and they discuss issues wey dey pinch all of us for the shoe wey we wear as e dey hot. 10 to 11, Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV.
So I fit talk my bye bye now, abi. Until we come again tomorrow with another ogbonge matter from me and Chukwudi. We go talk say bye bye.
Why you go tell them my own bye bye? Talk your own bye bye.
Me and Chukwudi.
You, my own bye bye is my bye bye. Your bye bye is my bye bye.
know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.